This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, friends. Welcome to Ratan IT. So my name is Ratan. Because we're discussing COREJAVA assignments, right? Yeah. So check this assignment. In application, take the pin number like 1234. Okay. In application, take the pin number 1234. Okay, this is just like ATM pin transaction. ATM pin. In ATM pin, then what happened? Tell me. So if you enter the pin number, mostly three times or four times wrong, you're saying that your account is blocked for 24 hours, right? The same concept. In application, take the pin is like 1234. Okay, I have the static pin I taken 1234. I'll take the pin from end user. End user, please enter the pin. If the application pin, end user pin, both are same. If the application pin and user pin, so end user pin, both are valid. Print the message. Congratulations, pin is valid. Stop the execution. Print the message. Congratulations, pin is valid. Stop the execution. Assume like he entered the pin is invalid. The If the pin is invalid, take the pin again. Okay, take the pin again, take the pin again, take the input like four attempts. After four attempts, assume like fourth attempt also you're saying like no wrong pin. Fourth attempt also you're saying the wrong pin means then say bye bye. Your account is blocked for 24 hours. Yes, your account is what? Blocked for 24 hours, right? That is the information, guys. So you got the clarity that in application you take the pin number like 1234 and take the pin from end user. If end user is pin and application pin, both are same means congratulations, stop the execution. If application pin and end user pin both are not same, both are not same, then both are not same. Take the input is how many items? Four items. After that we have to say bye bye. Your account is what? Blocked for 24 hours, right? Exactly. Yes, you got the pointer? Yes. Guys, let me do this example using Eclipse ID. So this is my Eclipse ID. So in Eclipse ID, can please create the new project. New, I want to take the Java project. So Java assignments. Okay. So Java assignments, click on the finish. I don't want to create any modules. I'm a Java assignments, guys. In the Java assignments SRC folder, new, I want to take the class. The class name simple like test class. So com dot okay. So core Java, com dot core Java, test class. Give the package name com dot tell me core Java. Class name is test class, and click on the main method. Click on the finish. Now you got the class like this, right? Exactly. Yes. Now just you can take the check the requirement and write the code. This is a requirement. In application, take the pin number 1234. Okay. Because int pin equal to what? 1234. One is completed. And take the pin from end user. Okay. Because to take the pin from end user, which class required? The other scanner, right? Scanner equal to new scanner of. Because always try to do the practical because in real time we are going to use Eclipse ID. In Eclipse IDE, so code is very flexible, right? Control space will import the data automatically. Scanner equal to what? New scanner system dot in, right? Scanner equal to what? New scanner system dot in. Okay, then take the pin number, guys. This is our control space. Enter. Okay, enter your pin number. Enter your pin number, right? So then he'll enter some pin number. How can you get the pin number? Scanner dot next int we have to get the pin. Scanner dot next int then you can take the pin, right? Guys, I think this is a user pin, right? Exactly. You got the point, right? In application I take the pin is 1234 and I take the pin from end user. I took the pin from what? End user, right? Okay, very good. Because after that the application pin, user pin both are same. Print the message. Congratulations. Stop the execution. Good. If the pin is invalid, take the again. How many attempts? Four attempts, right? Because if you take the four items means, you please take the for loop. Because here we know that how many times to repeat the loop. If you know that how many times to repeat the loop, then you can take the for loop. If you don't know how many times to repeat, then you can take the while loop. Because if you know how many times to repeat the loop, four times, int I equal to 1, I equal to what? 1, I less than or equal to 4, because 4 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can take the I plus plus. So you got the point, right? Exactly. Because you please take this code. Because you want to take this pin number one time or four times. Depends. That's what enter pin number. Just you need to analyze the code. Okay, I want to take the pin number multiple times. Then you should add that code inside the for loop. You got the point, right? You need to analyze the requirement, guys. You need to analyze the requirement always. You want to take the input like four times. You don't add like in scanner object inside the for loop. Why? If you add the scanner object inside the for loop, then what happened? That will be repeated how many times? Multiple times again object is created, right? Because you got the point or not? Then multiple times object will be created. Okay, fine. So you got the yeah, enter the pin attempt to 2, enter the pin attempt to 3, enter the pin attempt to 4. Like that, the loop is repeat, right? I think you got this attempt to 1, right? Yes. Because when you need to stop this loop, first case, when he enter the correct pin, break it. When he enter the correct pin, we need to stop the loop, right? There is one case more. When he enter the correct data, we need to stop it, number 1. And what about number 2? Tell me guys, what is the number 2? When the 4 occurrences reach, right? That's what. Let me add this one. Tell me guys, if I double equal to 4. So here the two possibilities are there, we need to stop the loop. First possibility, we need to stop the loop when it is matched. User pin and normal pin and user pin both are matched. We need to break it. Number 1 possibility. What is number 2 possibility? 4 times he entered the wrong pin. If the fourth attempt also wrong, then we need to break, right? Exactly. Because you got the point, right? The sysout control space. Yeah, sysout control space. Your attempts are completed. Your attempts are what? Completed. Bye bye. Account is blocked, right? So account is blocked for 24 hours. 24 hours, right? Exactly. Guys, that is information. I think now simply need to break the loop. That's it, guys. Account is blocked for 24 hours, right? When it is becomes a fork, right? Because even if you didn't use the break, then what happened? Tell me. Because the four attempts are completed, then automatically loop is a I plus 5. 5 less than or equal to 4 are wrong, right? Then automatically to stop the condition will be fail, right? Exactly. I think you got the point now. So you can check the output, guys, so that you get some clarity. And why again showing the scanner is a resource leak, scanner is never closed. If once operation is closed, scanner that better to close a scanner object. Better to close what one scanner object, right? Exactly. Because run this code, enter the pin attempt to one. So yes, clearly is asking enter the pin attempt to one. Assume like enter wrong pin definitely. 4565. Your pin is invalid, enter again. Because both are not matched, no? So your pin is invalid, enter again. Enter your pin attempt to two. Okay. Something like 6 7. Again wrong, attempt to 3. Something like this. Again attempt to 4. Attempt to 4 also wrong. Then what happened, guys? Attempt to 4 also wrong means I double equal 4 is matched, right? Then what happened here? Hmm. Your attempts are completed. Attempts are completed by barrage. Account is blocked for 24 hours or not? Okay, so no. Your attempt is completed and completed by account is blocked for what? 24 hours, right? Like this, you got the message, guys. Are you clear now? Mm, that is the information. Okay, so sir, first time the this is valid. This is a run button, guys. Click on this run button. Enter the pin attempt one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Valid. Congratulations, pin is valid. No, sir. Second attempt, can you please enter the correct value? First one is wrong, Amma. Second one is correct. Your pin is valid. Congratulations. I think you got the clarity, right? Hmm? Like that, guys. This kind of requirements are going to help in application in real time. For int I equal to 1, I less than equal to for I plus plus. Enter the pin number, attempt 1. Take the pin number, application pin, user pin, both are valid. Congratulations, stop the execution. If it is invalid, your pin is invalid, enter again. Okay, again the loop is repeated, repeated. Fourth time also it is wrong. Then you have to say message like your attempts are completed by right. When it is 4, then only this message execute, guys. First time correct, no problem. Second time correct, no problem. Third time correct, no problem. Got the point, right? Yeah. So that is information, guys. Can you please check this assignment? Okay. So can you please share this assignments to your friends, and you also try to maintain the notes for this assignment. So now, when you inject the more knowledge, then you'll get the more confidence. Hmm? Good. Guys, please like the video, comment the video. Last up to now for you it is important. Last 1 minute for me important. Tell me what is the last one. Like the videos. Like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos, right? Thank you, guys. Bye.